Hi there, welcome back to Palette Life and this is Suma Babu. Today we are going to do a sewing project. So this is something I found very interesting recently, so thought of making one and share the process with you all. So this is the cute little bag today we are going to make. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, there is a surprise in it. So once we open it, we get another bag inside. It's very easy to carry and looks like an art piece. So you can make a few of them and store it in your two-wheeler or car. I have used some leftover fabric for making this one. But you can use even your old kurti, nightie or even bedsheet fabric to make this one. So let's get started and see the process. The materials needed for this project is some colorful fabric pieces. We need 2 pieces of 17 by 17 inch fabric. Next one, preferably a contrast color, that too we need 2 pieces measuring 9 by 9 inches. And for the handle we need 2 strips of 15 by 4 inch fabric. Then we need 2 pieces of satin ribbon, or else you can use fabric pieces as well, measuring 12 by 1.5 inches. We need 2 lace pieces. This is totally optional. If using, needed 2 pieces measuring 12 inches. Next, we have to stitch the top part of our bag folding separately. If your cloth is having any particular pattern, arrange accordingly before sewing. Fold bag handle like this and stitch both the sides. Fold the second fabric on a triangle shape. Cut the excess fabric if any. Then arrange the lace on top of the fabric and stitch all the 3 sides. Mark the center part in the main fabric on the top portion. Then measure 2.5 inches on each side of that point and stitch the handle. Next, in our triangle fabric, arrange satin ribbon on top, leaving 1 inch on both sides and get it stitched. See how I am arranging the triangles over the main fabric and stitch both the side edges. Here we got like this. Arrange right sides together of the main fabric and stitch all the 3 sides, leaving the top portion open. Now our bag is ready. This is how it looks. One more thing we have to do is, we need a dory or a thick thread of 25 inches. Color and thickness can be of your choice. Next, we need some tassels. We get to buy ready-made ones from the shop. This one I have made out of this normal machine thread. For making this, we need one name card or debit or credit card. Roll the thread 80 times over the card and remove from the card, then fold the thread and secure it from the end. Cut the excess pieces. Our tassel is ready. Insert the thread in the satin ribbon. Insert a stopper bead in the thread. And fix the tassel on both the ends of dory. Use fabric glue to fix it. We are almost done. Nicely fold the bag and tighten the dory. Our bag is ready. That's all guys. See you soon. Be passionate and experiment new things, and happy crafting.